Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for October 2021. This is a $25 a month subscription. In here, we should have 5 full-size products. Boxycharm does give you the option to choose one product to be in your box. You get to choose, I think, between like 3, maybe 4 items. I don't typically choose, so I don't know anything that's going to be in this box. It's kind of fun, the surprise of it all. So no, I did not choose anything to be in this month's box, and I very, very rarely do. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have it right here on the screen for you, as well as the value of the item. Everything in here will be full size, so there will be no estimating sample size values in this video. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this box up. Alrighty, so when you have the box opened up, it looks just like that. This little card right here is going to have everything we're getting, as well as the value of the item and the theme for the box, which this month is Spellbound, which is a very appropriate Halloween theme. Alright, let's just start pulling stuff out of here. Alright, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Appeal Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is an adhesive liquid liner in jet black. Here's the packaging, pretty simple. I've tried like one thing from this brand and I don't even remember what it is. But let's see. I don't know what adhesive, now that I'm looking at it, why can't I say that word, adhesive? Is this supposed to like make something stick? Now that I'm like actually taking the time to think about what this is. Let me look at the card. Okay, so this is to apply fake lashes. So as instead of using glue, you would use this. I don't wear lashes, but just a sneak peek into this box, there are some lashes in here. Let's just go ahead and see if this is sticky. I don't wear lashes because I wear eyeglasses most days, and eyelashes just tend to be like windshield wipers for my glasses. Like I'm just constantly hitting my glasses all day. But I'm going to put this on and we are going to see if it's sticky. Because lash glue itself is like very thick. I mean, it just looks like a normal black eyeliner. So we will let it dry down and we will see if it is sticky. Let's see. The value on that is $29, which is expensive for an eyeliner. Also expensive for a lash glue, but maybe because it's like a duo combo thing, maybe it's worth it. I don't know. I feel like I'd pay like maybe 15 bucks for that. Yeah. So there's that first thing, okay? That's kind of weird. Although I do feel if I was going to get that any month, October is the best month to get it. I feel like Halloween is like one of those times where like even people who don't wear lashes might wear lashes for their costume. So since I said I was getting lashes in here, I'll go ahead and pull out this next thing. This is from Kamara Anik. I don't know how to say this name. Let me take it out of the plastic so I can show you. Okay, it does say cruelty-free on it, but it's just, here's the brand. Can you read that? They are pretty lashes if you wear lashes, but I just don't wear lashes really. They're very long, and like I told you, the issue I just have with lashes. They're handcrafted foaming lashes. I guess I could actually show you the lash itself in case you are a lash wearer. They're pretty, like they're lashes though, and like I said, I'm just not a lash wearer. But I will add this to my collection for like the once or twice a year that I attempt to put lashes on. That's another thing too. That's a whole nother thing, is like I'm not even good at putting on lashes. It's like it gives me anxiety putting these things on because it just never looks right to me. So yeah, got those. Let's see the value on those. $25, which I don't think I'd pay that for lashes. I'm the kind of person who, if I'm going to get lashes, I'm going to go to the drugstore and get some like Ardell lashes or something like that. I'm not paying $25 for lashes. So that's just me though. Let me know if you wear lashes. Do you pay that much for lashes? Or are you like me? You're like, I'm just going to get the cheap ones because you're just going to throw them away after a couple times, right? Isn't that like the thing? Like you wear them a couple times and you toss them. All right, moving right along. The next thing I have is from Tint, which I believe is cruelty-free. I can't quite recall, but it sounds like a familiar brand that I've tried before, but I could be wrong. This is a lash and brow duo, which just immediately makes me say, what? But here's the packaging. I'm assuming it's double-ended, and this is the mascara, and this is the brow, but I've been wrong before, so let's see. I do like the packaging on it. It's like super heavy. There's a random hair in mine. Let's just say it's lint. I don't know what that is. Okay, so yeah, here's the brown side. Let's see what color my brow is. So it's a black lash and a brown brow. I have both those things. Ooh, this is some thick brow gel. Can you see how thick that is? That is like some super tinted brow gel. I mean, the color looks dark enough, but whoa, that's thick. I was not expecting that. When I think brow gel, I think like almost clear or like gel-like, not like that. That's pretty thick. I'll have to try that out though. Let's look at the mascara wand. Whoa, the mascara is kind of thick too. The wand is so tiny. I'm curious to try this. I don't want to put it in my brows right now, but I am definitely curious to give this a go. It's very interesting. The wand on this is silicone. I'm not sure if you could tell. It's like those like thin, hard bristles. The brow gel is interesting. I don't know. We'll have to see if that works for me. Okay, so this lash and brow duo is $29, which I guess if you're thinking of it as like two separate products, like 15 bucks for a mascara, 15 bucks for a brow gel, I don't think that's too bad. But obviously you're getting less than you would in a normal product with something like this, but I don't think the price is too bad. Curious to see if that works for me though. All right, moving right along. The next thing I have is from Laura Geller, which is cruelty-free. This is the Spackle Skin Perfecting Primate. Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm not going to cut that out. I just said Skin Perfecting Primate. Anyways, it says hydrate, moisturizes, and replenishes. Here's the packaging. Not too bad. I've never tried any skincare from this brand. I think I've tried a couple blushes, which I really like, and an eyeshadow palette, which is not good. But I mean, I don't even know why I'm opening this, but it's a primer. And I'm almost out of my moisturizing primer right now, so I definitely will like to try this, see if it's like the same sort of thing. The one I have is almost like a lotion. There it is, just squirt it out on my hand. Let's rub it in and see what it feels like. Yeah, it feels just like a lotion, so. And it's unscented, which I prefer, especially in a primer. I don't really need a scented primer, but there's that. The value on this is $32, which I think is a little bit expensive, but not the worst price I've seen for a primer, especially a primer that you really like. So hoping I like this a lot. Excited to give it a go. I do love the packaging on it. I love that it's a pump, and I love that I can stand it up on my vanity. All right, and we have one last item. All right, so this last item is from Beauty Bakery, which is cruelty-free. This is the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. And I've only, I think, tried an eyeshadow from this brand. So here's the component itself, or like the outer carton. Really cute. I think it's see-through. Yeah, that's super cute. I love all their packaging pretty much. It's just really nice. Okay, so, I don't think I'm going to use this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in here. So there it is. It is very pretty. However, there's only one color I would even consider using, and that's this bottom right color, this light sort of color. It's like almost champagne. It looks a little more white on camera than it is in real life. It's like a champagne color. And so I don't want to dip into this whole palette just for one shade, so I probably will pass this along to somebody else. As much as I would love to try their highlighters, I have a ton of highlighters, and I don't want to dip into this for just only one shade that I like. So there's that. The value on this is $38, which I don't think is terrible for highlights, and they're pretty big, large pans. So it's like almost like 10 bucks a highlight, and I don't think that's too bad of a price. I enjoy this brand quite a bit. Like I said, I've only tried a couple things from them. I think just an eyeshadow, if I'm remembering correctly, but I really like it. And it's like, I don't know, their stuff's just cute, you know? I like it. Okay, so before we add everything up, let me address this adhesive on my hand. So it's dried down, but it is still shiny. I'm not sure if you can tell. It is a like glossy sort of finish. And it's sticky. Should I stick those lashes to it and see if like they stay on? Let's try it. I got nothing else to do but stick lashes to my hand. Okay, so it's on there. Like, I'm gonna show you me like pulling. Like it's, I don't know if you can tell. I'm like literally pulling it. Okay, so it came off, but like I was pulling pretty hard. Like this might be a good alternative because you have to wear like the lash glue and eyeliner anyway. So it is like a good like marriage of the two products, I'd say. So I might have to try that. I might have to give lashes another try. I don't know. I just need shorter lashes. Can anybody recommend like shorter lashes that don't like take over my whole eye? I also have hooded eyelids and I think eyelashes just look weird on me. That could be another reason why. I don't know. I could just be weird. I mean, that's a possibility too. All right, so let me add everything we got in this box up really quick here. All right, so the total value of this month's box is $153. When you're paying $25, I don't think that's a terrible price. It's almost, what, 5 times what I paid for the box, so 6 times. Yeah, 6 times what I paid for the box. So I think that's pretty good. When I get the smaller bags, the samples, it tends to be like 3 times what I paid, you know? So you typically get a better value, better bang for your buck when you're buying the boxes with full-size products. That's what I have noticed in my experience. So I think the value is pretty good. Overall, I liked this box. I like everything I got in here. Like everything I would potentially use. Like even though I don't wear lashes, I think it's cool that I got this like lash liner glue thing to use with the lashes. Like I'm excited to try that even though I'm not a lash person, if that makes sense. If I didn't already have so many highlights, I would be super pumped about this. And I am pumped about it. I just don't have a use for it right now, especially when there's 4 shades in there and I can only use one of them or only am interested in using one of them. I'm definitely curious to give this mascara and brow duo a go. Just curious to see if that works out because it's a pretty cool product, I'd say. And the primer seems really good too. So overall, I like this box. I think everything in this box is good. Nothing in here I'm like, ugh, why? So yeah, overall, pretty good box, I'd say. But I'd love to hear down below if you get the subscription, let me know what you got in your box. And if you don't get the subscription, did you think I have a good box? I would love to know your thoughts and opinions right down there. Let me know. That's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.